Meet Willis Carrier, the father of modern air conditioning. Born in 1876 in Buffalo, New York, he was a curious child. Carrier studied engineering at Cornell University, where he developed a passion for solving problems. In 1902, he invented the first air conditioning system, which controlled temperature and humidity in a printing plant. His invention revolutionized industries and comfort at home, making hot summers bearable for millions of people. Carrier founded the Carrier Engineering Corporation in 1915, and his legacy continues to impact our lives today.